Hey guys, welcome back to today's video, which is an entire week dedicated to DIY skincare, do-it-yourself face masks, do-it-yourself moisturizers. If you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and you're looking for a natural, organic, at-home face mask, this is the week for you. I know you guys are used to me talking about luxury skincare products here on my channel, you know, things that cost upward of $100. So I thought this week we would just test out natural at-home ingredients and see if they do the same thing as those expensive products. Whether this is the first video you've seen in this series, check out the entire playlist. I'll have it linked down below. And while you're down there, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and that little bell notification so you don't miss a single video. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. I appreciate you watching again. Let's dive right into today's video, another DIY face mask. Okay guys, so today's do-it-yourself face mask only contains two simple ingredients that you probably have in your own kitchen, and that is a ripe avocado and some delicious honey. This avocado and honey face mask is going to be amazing at moisturizing, comforting, and soothing the skin with so many more benefits. Let's dive right into it. I'm just going to start by taking my avocado and just squeezing it right into this glass. Now there are so many amazing health benefits, you guys know, from eating avocado. Putting it on your face is a whole new thing for me. Next up, just a drizzle of honey. I think I put about 2 tablespoons in here, not too much, just enough to coat the skin. Now we just want to go ahead and mush this all together. This DIY face mask is a little bit gross, but I mean, if the benefits are there, hallelujah. I'm just going to get this down to a nice creamy texture, really get it nice and smooth so that it spreads so evenly over the skin. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. This is like honey guacamole and I really want to taste it. Now all week long, because this is natural and DIY face mask week, I've just been using my hands to apply my face masks. So let's go ahead and apply the avocado and honey face mask evenly all over the skin. Ooh, it feels really hydrating already, so smooth and creamy. Take me there, avocado. This is one of the most nasty and delicious things I think I've ever done to my skin. Avocado is loaded with healthy fatty acids, guys. It's really gonna help to nourish and plump the skin. Avocados contain oleic acid, which is an extremely moisturizing property. When you think about coconut oil, that contains about 5 to 10% oleic acid. An avocado contains 63%. 63%? So you can imagine how hydrating that is. Avocados are also full of vitamin C, vitamin E. These are really going to help to brighten the skin, giving you that glowing complexion. And because avocados contain something called glutathione, guys, that's really going to help to brighten and lighten the skin as well, giving you like a glowing complexion, like... And of course, an avocado also stimulates collagen and elastin synthesis deep within your skin, really helping to give you that plump, nourished appearance. And of course, the honey that we put in this face mask is a great humectant. It's going to help moisturize the skin. Honey is great at healing acne, pimples, zits. Honey can provide long-lasting hydration as well as help lighten and fade scars as well. So really giving you that brighter complexion paired with the avocado, like the perfect mask, literally. This face mask is actually so smooth and so hydrating, guys. I feel like I could keep massaging my face for an eternity. Alright, so initially, I think that this green face mask is so cool. I mean, looking in the monitor, I feel like I'm turning into the Hulk. The avocado, the honey, I think I'm gonna love this one. I'm gonna leave it on my face for about 10 more minutes. I'll give it a quick rinse off. I'll meet you guys right back here and we'll find out the benefits of the avocado and honey face mask together. Guys, when I was rinsing that mask off, I mean, it was so silky smooth. It literally just slid right off my face. It was a little bit gross with those chunks of avocado, but I mean, that's something I could deal with. The honey mixed with the avocado was just so smooth all over my skin. Now, I think that the vitamin C found in the avocado did work to brighten and lighten my skin. My skin does look very refreshed, very awake, very bright. This definitely wasn't an exfoliation mask. I can still feel some buildup through this area in my nose here. I do have a little bit of buildup left on my forehead. So paired with a good sugar scrub, I reviewed one of those as well, link down below. This is the perfect face mask for hydration. All week long, I am just obsessed with testing and trying all of these do-it-yourself skincare using natural and organic ingredients you can find in your own kitchen. What's up? The fact that you can make natural organic skincare and face masks at home without any of those nasty chemicals is just like one of the best things I've ever discovered. Don't forget to check out every single video I've done. I'll have all the videos linked in the playlist down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because I put avocado all over my face. Like always, guys, I love sitting down and chatting with you about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. A whole new world of DIY, a whole new world. I almost choked. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you can always find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Until the next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, comment down below, avocado emoji. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you then. Bye.